Toyo Tanso handles everything from material production to machining and treatment. This video introduces the entire process of creating semiconductor manufacturing components. Toyo Tanso produces a wide range of graphite materials, including isotropic graphite, CC composites, and graphite sheets, offering various grades. This time, we'll use isotropic graphite as an example. First, regarding material production. Powder is compressed with uniform hydraulic pressure from all directions. After that, it is baking and hardens. An electric current is applied, generating heat to nearly 3000 degrees Celsius, causing graphitization. Isotropic graphite is completed. We can also produce large blocks exceeding 1 meter in size. Graphite is lightweight and highly machinable, enabling the production of large, monolithic products that cannot be manufactured using metals or ceramics. Next is machining. We perform high-precision machining for each individual item according to your specifications. Finally, treatment. We achieve high purity levels tailored to your required specifications. Additionally, surface treatments can be applied to meet specific functional requirements. Surface treatments can prevent the release of gases and impurities from the graphite substrate and provide etching resistance. High purity, high precision semiconductor manufacturing components are now complete. Toyo Tanso has a thorough understanding of substrate properties and can customize solutions to meet your specific requirements. Feel free to contact us for consultation. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos.